Welcome. This video explains search and tracks. Tracks give you a visualization of a set of events. By default, there are tracks for incidents, anomalous events, events with error or greater severity, and exception events for languages like Python and Go. You can also create your own. The buttons to the left let you filter on events in the track. Now I see only errors. Or hide all the events in a track. Now you no longer see any errors. You can also navigate to events in the track using the keyboard arrow keys or by clicking one of the colored squares. To search for something, use the command bar. We support full regex searches. For best performance, we recommend zooming into the time range you're interested in. I'm going to search for instances of this value. Let me copy it. Now in the command bar, I type S: for search and paste in the term. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the next match. Alt enter or command enter on a Mac goes to the previous match. For regular expressions, enclose the term in forward slashes. The filter command lets you turn a search into a track and filter on it to see only the matches. Instead of S:, type F: for filter, followed by the term. This creates a new track with all the matches and also filters the log viewer on the matches. You can turn the filter off to see all events and turn it back on again to see just your matches. We also support event type tracks, which are more powerful in terms of performance and functionality. I'll start by creating a track for all events of this type. Right-click on the event timestamp and select Create Track. Here you see the word eType to show that we're going to create a track for event type method getID sock_air null. Note that if eType is not shown, you can select it from the drop-down list. You can optionally pick a color and create the track. Here it is. The brightest squares show where the most occurrences of this event type occur. Now I'm going to create a track of events of the same eType, but where this metric value is at a max. This time, right-click over the metric and select Create Track. Instead of the word eType, you can now see the variable name you picked over here. And because it's a metric, you can select whether it's a min, max, average, or equal to a specific value. I'll pick max. And here's the new metric track. The brighter the shading, the closer to the max. Mousing over each square shows the max value for events at that time, and also the overall max to the right of the track. The last thing I'll say about tracks is that they're really useful for seeing correlations of where things occur, or to tell you when a particular event starts and stops. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful.